Hello, I'm Stacy Paulson. I am a wife, mother of 6 amazing children, an entrepreneur, and also an essential oils guru. We are going to talk about women's issues, and in fact, more targeted at that monthly woman's issue. And I don't know about you, but for me, it's not always the most pleasant experience. Um, you know, the natural side effects of having your menstrual cycle can be bloating, can be some pain, discomfort, um, and for some it's more severe than others. Also PMS, that's probably one that I suffer from the most. Is I get pretty ornery, and as a wife and a mom, that's not very pretty. So I don't feel very good about myself when I don't treat my kids as well as I should, or I'm just really short or impatient, snappy with them or with my husband, and I know they don't appreciate it very much. And I remember before starting to use essential oils, it's been over 7 years now that we've been using them, that what I did was I was just kind of a mean person during that time. Also with the bloating and cramping, what I did is I would take Excedrin, and it seemed to help some with the pain and discomfort, and also helped give me a little bit of energy because there was caffeine in it. But that was just not good for me, and it didn't really help with helping me to just be kinder and nicer and stuff. And so what I found is something that works really well, and supporting my emotional health in ways that it's pretty crazy. And I still don't quite understand how the essential oils work. And there's a lot of research that's going on as far as how they support emotionally and helping with neurotransmitters and receptor sites and helping you to process emotions more healthy. And there's just lots of research that's going on. All I know is that it works really well for me. And the oil that I love, doterra put together a blend. It's called Clary Calm. And so it has, let me read it to you, clary sage, lavender, bergamot, Roman chamomile, cedarwood, ylang ylang, geranium, fennel, carrot seed, palmarosa, and vitex. I don't even know what those last two are. However, I know these work really, really well, and I don't want to mix them together and make my own concoction. So this has been really useful, not only for me, but I also have a 14-year-old daughter, and she gets kind of moody. And so this is a great one emotionally as well as physical support through putting it on. So I kind of have on my calendar, I know when I'm pretty normal with my cycle, and some of you may not be. And so I know when it's getting close because I feel a little cranky and I crave like fattening, unhealthy foods, sugary foods. Like that's a sign to me, like, oh, this is coming. And so as far as physically, I will rub this on my stomach and just it's just a roller bottle. If you haven't seen these, you just roll it on and then rub it in. And then what's left over on my hands, I will just rub together and breathe it in. And I can't tell you how well it works. For as long as I've been using it, it works really, really well. So this is a really simple support for your body's, physical needs, emotional needs, and it helps you to just feel like a better woman, more empowered, more in control. So I love Clary Calm. And so if you want any more information about this, go ahead and click on the links below. And if I can support you anyway in learning more about essential oils, what to use for what different things, just reach out to me, and would love to support you in that. Thanks.